Hey everybody, Vegan Chef Leah here. I got an awesome recipe to share with you guys today. We're going to be making a vegan peach cobbler. It's really good. We are taking the traditional 1 cup cobbler recipe and we're going to make it vegan. So I can't wait to share this recipe with you all. So for the ingredients, we've got spelt flour, turbinado sugar, almond milk, and baking powder. First, we need to make a flour slurry to thicken our peaches up with, so I'm going in with a 1/2 cup of spelt flour. Now a 1/2 cup of water. Now let's give her a mix really good. We're going to use this and add this to my peaches. I've got 5 cans of peaches on the stove getting ready to cook, and we're going to add this in to thicken the mixture. Now I'm pouring the flour slurry into the peaches. We're going to stir this around really good. Let her get in there and thicken up really good. It's going to take about a few minutes. And I'm going in now with a tablespoon of cinnamon as well as a tablespoon of nutmeg, you know, the traditional peach cobbler spices. And we're going to just keep stirring her up really good. Okay, so let's start with the cake batter. I'm going in with 1 cup of spelt flour. Now I'm going in with 1 cup of turbinado sugar, or you can use date sugar or whatever sweetener you like. To this we'll add 1 cup of almond milk. Now we're going to whisk her all together, and this is going to be the cake batter. We are going to pour this cake batter over our peaches in a 9x13 casserole dish. The reason we're using 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of flour, and 1 cup of milk is because this is the traditional 1 cup peach cobbler recipe. And what I've done is I've made all the ingredients vegan. So this is your traditional 1 cup cobbler recipe. It's very famous down south if you've ever heard it or heard of it before. And I've simply made it vegan. I've switched out the ingredients for 1 cup of spelt flour, 1 cup of turbinado sugar, and 1 cup of almond milk. Now so let's check and see how the peaches are doing. They are bubbling up really nice. You can see how the spelt flour thickened up the mixture, the slurry that we made. It's thickening up really nice, and we're getting ready to add this into a 9x13 casserole dish and get this peach cobbler going. So I've got the peaches all ready to go in the 9x13 casserole dish. I have the oven preset at 350 degrees. I am pouring the cake batter on top of the peaches, and we're going to move this around. So we're going to take a moment and just continue to smooth the cake batter out really nicely. This is going to be really good. And again, you can use whatever flour. If you don't prefer spelt flour, you can use whatever flour you like. But just remember, the recipe is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of milk, almond or soy, whichever you prefer. Okay, she is ready, piping hot, fresh out of the oven, nice and golden and moist and cakey. Oh my God, this is good. I hope you all enjoy it. Please like and subscribe to Vegan Chef Leah. Love you guys.